Easter basket. I'm putting together my 15-year-old Easter basket. First, we're gonna start off with some pink. Actually, I'm gonna put this in here so we can have some filler because I'm cheap. Pink is not her favorite color, but because she has brothers, they get blue and green, so she gets pink. Voila. Beautiful job. Okay. So then she asked for a pair of low-rise baggy jeans. So these are from Hollister, I believe. Yeah, Hollister. Oops. So we're gonna put those in there. Those in the back. And then the next couple shirts are from American Eagle and Aerie. I really like that color. That's really cute. And then this one from Aerie. She really likes like basic tees. She's definitely a t-shirt kind of girl. And then this one is super soft. I think this is like the pink one. Yeah. It's blue. And then this one's from American Eagle as well. Black. She already has it in like a oatmeal color, so she knows she likes it. She just wanted some different colors. These two shirts are from Hollister. And then this white shirt. And then she picked out this bathing suit. This is from Hollister as well. Very cute. I love the color of that. Put that up front. And then this one, it's got the shell detail. Okay, and then now she really likes like surprise boxing thing. So I found this. This is not going to fit in this basket, so we're gonna put that next to it. And then I found two of the smaller ones. I have no idea what this is. Hi-Jo. And then a Clickies. And a Minecraft squishy. Okay, and then I found these sugar swaps. These are little aliens. Some little puppies. And some ice cream cones. And then she has been into Neatos for years, but they are hard to find now. So I have found quite a few of the ones she is looking for. Let me just pull these out. All right, so we will start with the biggest one. She has the regular Niceberg Neato, but this is the swirl in this pink color. And then she got the leather one to match. She got this nice cube glow in the dark. And also, where's the other one? Two of the glitter and glow in blue and pink. She got the jellyfish in blue and pink as well. I am not going to have enough room for all of these Neatos. Okay, and then we got 3 fuzz balls. She got blue, orange, and pink. This is her favorite. She really likes the clay ones. we're just gonna stick these wherever we can. Okay, and then she got a Nido Fuzzball Wildcat. She got the blue Mellow Mallow. She got 2 Shaggy Nidos, this is pink and purple. Okay, and then the Piece of Cake Nido. And then she got 2 of these micro games, Don't Break the Ice, which we used to play a whole lot when she was little, and then Guess Who, so she can play at school when she's not supposed to with her friends. Thought they were cute. Okay, and then candy-wise, we got peelers. These are the tulips. And then her favorite candy is Ferrero Rocher, so we got a Ferrero Rocher bunny. And then the Gummy Yum Surprise, she really likes these. Planet Gummies, I don't know what these are, but she really loves those as well. Krabby Patty stick. Three Reese eggs. Some Kit Kat bunnies. This is slim pickings around here. And then some Cadbury cream eggs. And that is her Easter basket.